Huh? Nice.
A few moments later.
Oh my god! Wow! Okay.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
A few moments later. A few minutes later.
Boring.
3 days later.
How? How did they think that was okay to even put it in the game?
3 weeks later.
Oh Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
"12 seconds later.
And I've decided that I want to die.
You serious?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Emotional, damn it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
You didn't have to cut me off.
We don't do that here.
A few moments later.
What?
What?
How?
What?
2,000 years later.
So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, make sure to hit the subscribe button over of my head and also share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out my new videos in the short part, and also comment in the below of each video that I upload and tell me your ideas and tell me your suggestion about new videos. I will read all of them and I will use the best ideas that you give me for my next video. So guys, nothing else. This is Limit Crusher. I love you guys. Till the next video. Bye bye.